Hi, I'm Dave Lee. I work with my son Bryan Lee, and we are glass blowers. We're teaching down here at Marc School of Woodworking and Time-Honored Crafts. Today we're finishing up with Glass Blowing 101, which is essentially a full week's class, starting with the very basics. Most students here at Marc come in with a pretty firm foundation of knowledge of what they're doing, whether they're wood turning, whether it's veneering. Chances are they've already done it. With our glass blowing classes, it's more than likely the case that our students have never touched or never worked with blown glass before. So we're starting with the very basics. So we start in the beginning of the week teaching safety and the foundations of what they're about to do, and then we work throughout the week to build their hand skills and their knowledge and their safety all the way through the process, such that they get to the point to where they're really blowing some very cool things. One of the things that we find very compelling about what we do here is we work with so many different other types of artists and craftspeople. What's unusual about this is most people don't get a chance to see glass blowing or participate in it. So we love to come here to Marc so that we can expose people to what it is that we do, this ancient craft of glass blowing. We're super excited that we're going to be back here next year, once again, particularly for the 30th anniversary of the school. We're just as proud as we could be to be associated with the school, with the people that are here, both the staff and the students. Thanks for watching.